In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger email. To get started, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen where your profile options are usually located. This is where you'll begin the process of updating the email address connected to your account. Next, click on your profile. This will open the account-related menu or settings area, where you can manage your personal information. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, just stay focused on the account settings section, because that's where Hostinger keeps the main details linked to your account. From there, click on Account Information. In this section, you'll be able to see the email address that is currently associated with your Hostinger account. This is the email Hostinger uses for important account communication, notifications, and login-related updates, so it's important to make sure it's accurate and up to date. When you see your current email address, click on it. This will allow you to edit or replace it with a new one. Carefully enter your new email address in the field provided. As you type, make sure the spelling is correct and that you're using an email address you can access, since you may need it for future confirmations, security alerts, or account recovery. After entering the new email address, click Continue. This will move the update process forward. Depending on your account settings, Hostinger may ask you to verify the change or confirm the new email before the update is fully completed. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. A helpful tip here is to double-check the email before you continue, because even a small typo can cause problems later, especially if you rely on that email for account access or support communication. It's also a good idea to use a secure and regularly monitored email address for hosting-related accounts. And that's it. By opening your Hostinger account, going to your profile, selecting account information, clicking your current email, entering your new one, and then clicking Continue, you can update your Hostinger email quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.